Okay, good afternoon and congratulations on the new project, Project Loki. Kay Direk muna Direk, third directorial job, tama ba? Third, pangatlo na to.
For films.
Films,
but,
yes.
yeah.
Okay, so, kumusta naman po working with the younger stars na halos kasing edad mo lang naman sila?
Yeah, thank you for that.
And, ihabol ko na rin to. Gaano po siya ka-faithful sa Wattpad series na
Unahin ko na po kung gaano ka-faithful yung adaptation po namin ng Project Loki. Ano po, we do our best to make it 100% accurate po talaga. While we are shooting, we cross-check all the time sa libro. Even if it's written there, we make it a point with the whole team na, check natin. And it's a very collaborative process din po with all the artists and with Rain. Kunwari merong mga mababago na eksena, dadaan muna yan kay Rain, na sa kanya yung thumbs up, thumbs down, malalaman muna niya lahat yun. And of course, sa kanilang lahat po, they're such a joy to work with. Yun po yung masasabi ko. Kasi iba yung binibigay nilang energy sa set. I would say na para lang po kami mga bata na naglalaro ng mga mamahaling mga gamit. Kumbaga, ganun po yung vibe. And they're very enthusiastic. Each and every single one of them. Mahirap man yung eksena. Last night we finished at around, sabihin na natin, 12 o'clock from Laguna. Pero nakangiti pa rin lahat, nag-aantayan, umuwi. Alam mo, ganun po siya. So it's such a blessing to be in everyone's presence here. And I hope maramdaman niyo rin po yan while watching the final product ng Project Loki. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
thank you Direk and thank you Phoebe.
Maraming salamat po. Now, moving on to My Movie World, Bernard Santos.
Hello guys, good afternoon. My questions is for the QED members, Dylan, Jada, Marco, Yumi, and Martin. Since the series is about discovering and investigating, personally, ano na yung mga na-discover nyo within each other while filming this series?
Okay, I'll start. As always. No, I'm joking. Anyway, ako siguro, what's been really exciting about this project is, I feel like every day is really such a new day, and I feel like we're always constant. It's a constant learning process and it's a teaching set. So in terms of what we discover about each other, ako personally, yung pinaka nakaka-eksena ko would be si Dylan. And na-discover ko talaga na he's very giving as a co-actor. And he's very emotionally sensitive, and I think it really helps pagdating sa dynamic ni Laurie and Loki, lalo na sa first half nitong series na to, because we get to see how their relationship progresses all throughout the story. And ako, personally, I really enjoy what each character brings out in me as Lorelai. Magkaiba talaga yung bawat dynamic. Like for example, me and Marco as Luther. I think he brings out yung curiosity ni Lorelai. May sense of mystery kasi si Luther na that he's able to bring to the table. So things like that. And I'm yet to shoot with both Yumi and Martin, but we're about to shoot together very soon. And I can imagine it would be the same. Kasi I must say, like, everybody on this project is equally committed to imbibing yung mga characters namin, and para we're able to bring them to life in the best way possible, most faithful to the book adaptation. So yun, I would say na it's a constant discovery, little quirks, and also we all work the same. We all work differently. We all have our own techniques and approaches when it comes to acting, but ultimately it all comes together and we all complement each other.
For me naman, since tuloy-tuloy na yung taping namin for like how many weeks? 2 or 3 weeks? Sunod-sunod na. So, mostly ang nakaka-eksena ko is si Laurie and si Marco. I haven't shoot that much pa with Jamie and Martin, pero sobrang nilolook forward ko din po yung mga shooting days namin. And so far, with Laurie, grabe. Just like what she said, sobrang galing din niyang co-actor. Kumbaga, nakakatulong yung paglalabas niya ng character niya sa character ko. So lumalabas talaga si Loki, for me at least. dahil she's a good actor and I'm just very thankful for that. And with Marco naman, since he is very, kumbaga, grabe yung power niya sa Project Loki. So, nafe-feel ko din yung tension namin between the two of us. And ayun, I'm just very excited na makita nyo na ma-portray namin, each and every one of us, yung mga characters na gagawin namin for Project Loki. Ayun po. Marco.
To be fair, I've only had like a very few taping days with Dylan and Jada and Direk. It's been really interesting though because aside from the set looking really particular and the cinematography as well, which is new to me because we were trying different shots, ano mga po yun, parang may ibang lente na tinatry para may effect. And to me, that's beautiful because finally we're bringing something new to the Philippines. And it made me want to go to work, you know, and seeing Jada, seeing Dylan, that they're so invested in it. Of course, the pressure is there to keep it up and, you know, be able to deliver in the scene. I remember there was the scene that, for some reason, I was just so nervous because I have to be authoritative, and I couldn't. That day, I just felt nervous. And then I remember we were doing this scene, and then my legs were shaking. And I was like, oh my God, I can't stop. You know, and it took me a while. I started mumbling. But then again, everybody is very light at work, which is nice to have and honestly rare to find because in this business, there's a lot of drama on set. And everyone was just able to do it right, you know, keep it peaceful and fun.
How about Yumi and Martin?
Good afternoon po. Yun nga, sabi, since di pa kami nagsistart sa, I mean OBB. Pero na-feel na namin yung vibe ng set na sobrang cool ni Direk, tsaka yung mga DOP. And, kahit wala pa kaming tapings actually, naghahang kami, yung kaming QED. Feel ko pag nag-start na tayo as QED 4, parang hindi na ganun kahirap magkapaan. Kasi alam na namin ang isa't isa yung ugali namin.
Group chat pa tayo.
Ha?
May group chat pa tayo.
May group chat pa kami nandun. So yun, ito si Jada. Since mag-best friend kami dun sa Loki. Parang nag-treat each other na kami as best friends eh. Na pag nagra-run siya, pag pagod siya sa taping, ganun, kaya mo yan, ganun. Basahin mo lang yung script, ganun. Supportado kami sa'yo mo, ganun. Well, hindi lang naman sa akin, sa amin lahat. Nagko-comfort kami pagod kami sa work namin, ganun. Yeah, yun lang. Kami, Yui.
Hello po. Ayun po, looking forward po kasi actually sobrang excited ko na din po talaga mag-start ng first day sa shooting po namin. And ayun, more time to prepare. More time for preparation sa character. So, ayun po. Yun lang.
Thank you. Thank you, Phoebe.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, from Rider PH Studios, we have Jojo Panaligan.
Thanks, Phoebe. Question ko kay ako si Ibarra. Paano ina-elevate ni Direk Sian yung Project Loki lalo at ginagawa niya ito sa ibang medium? Ano ang nagustuhan mo sa style niya at basa niya sa iyong likha?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I think that Direk Zian is really committed to giving a different take dito sa pagkaka-direct and pagkaka-film ng Project Loki. I hope it's okay to say this, but I watched some of the clips and I was amazed by the techniques that were used during the filming, and ano pa lang yun, hindi pa siya fully polished, so doon pa lang parang na-amaze na ako. And I look forward to watching yung final product and for everyone to see yung different take talaga. As in, if Sorry, I lost my train of thought. But I think it will be interesting to watch the series, and I hope that it will bring something new to the Philippine media industry once it's out.
Thank you, Direk. Pwede po kayo mag-react sa sinabi.
Gusto ko lang pong sabihin na yun yung nabanggit ni Marco, nabanggit ni Rain. Lahat naman po ito, we're giving credit to the world that Rain built. This playground that he built for us. And of course, yung mga players, the millions of players that are nag-anticipate nitong project na to. And just to quickly add lang po yung parang bago na gusto naming ibigay dito sa Project Loki. It's really all because of the hardworking actors you have here. Kasi hindi naman siya, paano ba? Mahirap kasi siyang gawin to, add your extra creativity, to add extra juice, or to add style to the project. Pero dahil nga sobrang committed nilang lahat, maski paguran na sila, may isang eksena na iiyak na si Jada, ako na lang naaawa, pati si Loki, parang, or even si Marco, parang antok na sila, pero sige, okay lang, anuhin natin, let's polish it pa, let's polish it more. So yeah, it's all props to all of them, kasi they're very enthusiastic and they're very, kumbaga yun nga, committed in their role and dito sa proyekto. Thank you po, Sir Jojo.
Thank you. Last question ko for Jada, Dylan, and Mark. Meron ba kayong ganun pala yun moment in doing a mystery instead of just watching it?
That's a good question. Yes, there are multiple moments, and I want to take this opportunity to really highlight the crew and the production team behind Project Loki. And lalo na our cinematographer, our DOP, si Lee Jake Mariano, he really deserves a round of applause. And props to him kasi I would say that ang hirap i-execute po talaga yung ng project na to. It's very technical. And one thing that I can say is everybody's committed to, giving a quality show. So I think, seeing the process of dun pa lang from the production design and how the sets are built. Ako personally, yun parang, ay, ganun pala yun. Because I think for me, lalo na in terms of my acting career, this is my second project. I think this is probably the first time I've been immersed into a project where I really felt like every moment I stepped on set, I felt like I was really stepping into the world of it. And I think nakatulong yun sa akin po bilang artista na every time I stepped onto set, it really felt like a different world. Like I didn't feel like I was playing Jada. I really felt I was Lorelai, and especially with the characters that I was interacting with. So yun, I would say that. And also, lalo na in terms of in the more technical stuff, dun pa lang sa fake blood. We also deal with prosthetics on this show. Not to spoil too much, but yeah, I'm supposed to be doing a scene with prosthetics soon, so that will be a first for me. So just all of those little things na ako, lalo na yung nanay ko, like growing up, mahilig po talaga siya sa mga crime shows and documentaries and things like that. Favorite pastime namin yung manood ng mga ganyan. So it's cool to be part of that process, and I understand that as an actor, not everybody gets the opportunity to be a part of something as detailed and as this. So, I personally feel really grateful for it.
I agree with you, Jada. Dun sa visualizer, yung look ng show, it's very expensive.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And I mean, like I said, I really want to give it back to the production team behind it. They really deserve all their flowers, and lalo na si Direk Sian. Like really, Direk. This is, at the end of the day, I'll say this, and I'll say it time and time again. We wouldn't be able to do this without you helming this with this ship. You really are the leader of this project. So he deserves a round of applause.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng sagot ni Jada, parang okay na kami ni Mark.
Ayun, may ganun pala moments.
Yes, pero I agree with Jada. Just like what she said on the intro part of what she said. Na-appreciate ko rin yung props ng production. yung cinematography ni Direk Lee, and of course, yung directing ni Direk Sian. And you know, just as an actor kasi, malaking bagay if you observe each and every sequence, each and every scene, each and every investigation. As in, you look for every object, every person, every scenario. Ang laking bagay nun if you give life to it and you would actually feel that you are actually inside the investigation and you're actually solving it. So, dahil kay Direk, mas nabubuhayan lahat ng nakikita namin. So, mas nafe-feel namin, and with that, lalabas din siya, magpo-portray din siya on screen. Diba? So, yun yung pinakamaganda. I mean, yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-appreciate ko. And just like what you said yung sa teaser, it's beautiful. Grabe yung pagkakagawa. Kasi lahat, editing, cinematography, directing, and of course, the story. Such a beautiful masterpiece. Yun lang po. Thank you.
May ganun pala moments.
Honestly, I mean, yeah, like Jada really said it all. Siguro ang ma-add ko na lang, ang saya umarte kapag may budget yung production. So, ganda nun. Kasi punta ka sa trabaho, gaganahan ka. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Thank you. Thanks.
Alright, thank you so much. Great question, Sir Jojo. And now we have Sab Santos, a TikTok content creator.